Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the washer and loading evenly. Don't overstuff the drum. Once done, turn the program selector to the wash you want and set temperature and spin speed. Next, find the time delay or delay start button on the control panel. Make sure the door clicks closed so the machine recognizes it. You're ready to set the delay timer. This is the point where choices determine when your cycle will actually run. You press the delay start button and then use the plus or minus controls to set the hours until start. LG models commonly step in 1 or 3 hour increments. Once you see the delay time on the display, 3 hours for 3:00, for example, make sure any extra options like pre-wash or extra rinse are set now because they change the final runtime. After confirming the delay, double-check the water taps and that the door remains firmly latched so the timer will. You press start to activate the time delay. The display will show the countdown until the wash begins, and the machine will automatically run at the selected time. If you need to change or cancel the delay, press delay start again, adjust the hours, then press start. On some LG models, turning power off resets the delay, so make sure power remains on if you only wanted to tweak hours. If it refuses to start, check the child lock, door latch, and that power and water are connected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.